Right, so I'm currently observing how the trades from yesterday went. Right, so let's start with Bitcoin. Everything is red because this guy wanted to go down. I wonder why, though, right? Everything pointed to a reversal. But in here, it got hit by this resistance. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Four touches on the resistance level. That's going to be the high time frame resistance over here. Okay. So the price is currently being supported by this 9 and 20 over here. So I don't think it's going to go down that quick. Might go sideways for a while. So, but that little bit of red candle caused my trades to go red altogether. Might be me pushing my luck too much, because I see a bullish divergence, bound support, almost got to 50, not quite. But then went red. So maybe this is another divergence. I don't know. Yeah, maybe that's a hidden divergence or something. Let me study my RSI later. So in essence, it got hit by this moving average that marks the downtrend. Now it's going to bounce to here, so I think it's going to go back down here. I should close this trade right now, right? I think so. See this section here? It's all rejections at this level. That's 52 to 59. So this is a wrong trade. Close it. There you go. How much P&L was that? Almost $2. Okay. Tiny little paper cut. What about this? This guy was a bit far away from the area of value, but it was above the resistance, right? So I thought it's going to hold. But right now, I'm not so sure. I am not so sure about this. Let's check Pepe. Same thing. Same thing. I was expecting too much. Now it's red, and I don't know what to do right now. So if we remove all those indicators, it's going to be showing this in a range, right? Maybe I should wait for it to pop out of this level before I go in. Yeah. Right now it rests at RSI is resting above 50. Lots of buy orders here, maybe. I don't know if that would hold. Let's check the other ones. Pendle. What's wrong with Pendle? Pendle is going to get trapped. It's overextended. Maybe it could pull back here. Do I leave this open? Not so sure. What if it goes up tonight, right? What if it does? What if it does go up tonight? Ascending pattern here. Wait, this high is right here. It's forming some sort of a support, right? Yeah, but then again, the resistance might be too much for this. Let's check the weekly. In the weekly, it's nicely stuck here. So possible pullback, right? Should I exit the trade? Double top. Oops, trying to hold. Trying to hold. Double top, I think it's gonna go down. The 1 hour. Okay. So, this is going down. Look at this. Clear loss of momentum. What do we do? Loss of momentum. Not sure what to do with this. Maybe I should wait, be patient. I don't know. XRP. Red. Bought right smack at resistance. I thought it was going to be a goer, but it's not a goer, so. Pretty annoying, you know. Price is supported by the moving averages, but right now it's getting stuck by those resistance. Get smacked back down here. It's going to be a choppy ride up. XRP, I think I should close it. I should buy on red candles. Should I close it? All up to BTC, I guess. Yeah, most of these trades are losers. Where's my virtual? No. It's going down, I think. Yet again. There we go. Smack at resistance, lower highs. Could be a short right there. Could be a short right there, short trade. What do you think? Considering this is a downtrend, right? Two tops go down. Two tops should go down here. I think I should exit these damn trades. Buy lower. Don't wait for bullish engulfing patterns, because they are gonna make me lose. Green candles make me lose. Always buy low, not on bullish engulfing candles, I think, right? Bullish engulfing. Hey, has to go a little bit sideways before popping back up. Let me think. Solana going down. Let's check the higher time frame. Yeah, see that? Should be on its way up, because I thought this is it, right? But right now, higher lows are not working. Higher lows are not working. What should I do? This is in a range. Yeah. Yep, I think we should wait for things to play out. Killing these trades right now is not ideal. Yep. Possible fake out to here. Maybe I should kill Ethereum. Yeah, I should kill Ethereum. Possible pullback to here before it goes. Don't you think? I mean, all indicators are pointing down. So Ethereum, I think, is a dead trade. No volume whatsoever. Kill it. Yeah, kill it, I said. Take that loss. Pendle. What do we do with Pendle? Buyers are fighting back. Are they going to fight back? Let's check BTC. Oh. Now there's a green. After I closed that trade. Oh, man. Oh, man. What's it going to do now? After I close that trade, there's a green. See that? That is why I hesitate. I screw up my trades. Emotional thinking. Emotional thinking, guys. Emotional thinking. Might go up from here, right? This level. Push up. I need to find a way to learn how to buy here. Not here. Right? I need to learn that somehow. How do I do that? Yep, just close it, leave it. Whatever, but don't touch it anymore. What is here? Pepe, let's see what it's gonna do. Pepe could reach this buying point here. 15 minute. Go back up to these highs, right? After that, yeah, still need some time for it to play out. Solana, Hyperliquid, Pendle, CRV. Yeah, CRV I guess is gonna meet a point of reversal. See this? Oversold on the 5 minute. Oversold on the 5 minute. You have low time frame here and here. Best trade was here last night. Target those highs. That was a good trade. Yeah. So maybe I should target trading in these shorter time frames, right? Higher time frames mess me up. If I could enter this trade, that's already a pretty nice profit, right? Should be done this morning. 30-minute time frame. High time frame is messing me up. Daily time frame. Why is that, right? Too slow. Wait for these trades to play out, I guess. Come back to them later. Right now, I am leaving them to run. See what happens next. Each of them have different tendencies. So, see this? This is good, right? This is not. So right now, useless is performing better than this thing. Let's put them side by side, right? Useless. Then we collapse this. Make this a candle. Look at it. Relative strength is higher. Its resistance goes back down. It stays in a flag. Price action is different. So I shouldn't treat them as they are, I think. This is pretty messed up. Okay, so this is useless. Check BTC. So there. As you can see, useless is holding up more than Bitcoin does. More than CRV does. CRV just amplifies whatever Bitcoin does. This is a higher high. These are the lows. So right now this is your market structure on the short term, okay? Shorter time frames. Pretty nice to trade, right? I'm not gonna trade daily for now, I think. I'm gonna look at smaller time frames. Entries at 1 hour and 2 hour. I'm not gonna trade those high time frame levels and end up stop lossing out like this. This is not acceptable. This is not acceptable. This is a pretty nice trade right here. See that? Double top up. Now, I think Bitcoin would drop to here. Or here, right? That's the assumption. But this guy is holding up pretty good. Okay. So what do? We hold. Hold for a while. Bitcoin makes its chop around these highs. Buying pressure is pretty okay. So yeah, let's trade the 1 hour for now. I'm not going to trade daily. That's the lesson. Peace.